and welcome. It's Jelly Cube and I'm here on Sunshine Coast, Queensland, Australia. It's been a beautiful, beautiful day. I did start off showing you a little project that I was doing for a friend's daughter. She wanted a peacock feather in glitter, and I was halfway through and waiting for my ink to dry and come back to the camera, and the camera had stopped. I got to this point of throwing all the glitter on there and I'm waiting for the glue to dry before I shake it off to get the true, but the camera weren't going, so I couldn't show you. But I will show you on this particular video how I finish it off, I think, or I'll show you on another video when I come to resin it. But anyway, without further ado, let's hope my camera doesn't do it again. I'm working on this 60 by 30 canvas, and I'm going to see what I can get out of it. So I just want to do a split pour. Now these were some of the custom colours that I made the other day. This one was I made my Berry Delicious, but then added some of the Berry Delicious, which is that one, to white to get this nice violet colour. So, and some of the other custom colours I'm going to use, that they were just colours I made up myself. I love doing that. Yeah, always fun. So without further ado, let's get to it. I'm going to do the lilac-y colour on this one side. I hope you guys are fine and everything's going well in your lives, and I know we're going through some crazy times, aren't we, at the moment, but please find something that gives you joy, because sometimes it's the only way you can get through things, if you push on yourself. What did my mum's favourite saying was? The Lord helps those that help themselves. So some people take that a little bit too literally and some people don't. So, but yeah, so meaning that, yeah, basically it's, you know, and things only happen if you create them. They don't just happen on their own. So sometimes we have to be definitely proactive in our own destiny, should I say, in helping ourselves. Oh, I'm rambling on. Just remembering my mum for some reason a lot today. She passed away, oh, how old is my son? 28, so 28, oh no, hang on, just trying to think now how old he was when she died. She's been past about 20 years, I suppose. Anyway, I was thinking about her, as you do, your parents. She didn't have me until late in her life, after 6 other kids, so I was definitely an what you call them, a change of life baby, I think she called it. But she reckons that's why she called me. My full name is Gillian, even though my father only ever called me Jilly. She reckons my name was because I was Gillian in a million, because she never ever thought she'd have any more children. She'd got 6 children, and good knows she didn't want another one when I come along, but she got me. Poor mum. She was the absolute most beautiful woman I have ever known, and I'm sure will ever know. She was kind to everybody. She did not she wasn't prejudiced. She opened her door to anyone that wanted food. There was always food on the table. She opened her heart, and she was extremely funny lady. So that was nice, having somebody that was so joyous in your house. I'm going to get back to thinking about what I'm doing now, otherwise I'm going to go AWOL, aren't I? So this is the Berry Delicious. So I might try and even give this a blow with the dryer and see if it will blow. This might be too thick, the mix. Now this is another of my custom colour that I called Razzle Dazzle Red. Razzle Dazzle Red. So I'm going to give these, I'm going to see if they blow anywhere, like, you know, your, what you call it, your Dutch poury thing. I'll give it a go. I'll try my, first of all I'll whiz over with the heat one to burst any bubbles. The paint consistency may very well be too thick to blow, but I'll give it a go with my little charity shop find, which would be really good if you plugged it in. Jelly! Wow, I'm a silly duffer today, I tell you. I am getting things upside down and inside out, and not right. But anyway, you give it a go. Let's try this. Got me. Wow! It's working. Oh my lordy, lordy, lordy. No, I don't want to do any more. Stop. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, that is a surprise. Look at this slicing. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. Just those colours. How simple was that? That Razzle Dazzle Red is the bomb. Okay, if you want a screenshot, Razzle Dazzle Red was cool red and a bit of metallic copper in cool red. It's beautiful. Oh, look at it. I don't want to do any more. Don't do any more. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm really enjoying these Dutch pours. It's been my nemesis and they've not worked out for me. And just all of a sudden it's like, by Jove, you've got it, woman. I'm going to leave it. I love it. I'm going to bring you down and have a look at this lacing. I mean, I probably could blow it out here and there, but it's just beautiful. Just 1 second. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Sometimes the simple things in life are often the best. This is gorgeous. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I did not think that would blow out because the paints are of thicker consistency. The colours are just so striking. I just did a few mouth blows to blow those edges a little bit. But look what happened. The lacing is like those blooming things. It must be because there's a fair amount of Floetrol in my white acrylic underneath, I believe, because I've put my glue, my clear glue and water mix. It's the same mix and Floetrol. The mix is in the description underneath this video, so you can do it too. But I am loving it. I hope you do too, because I am so excited. I love it. Look at this. Look at this lace in it. How? I'm sure if I tried to do that and I was starting out to do that, it would not have happened. It's just gorgeous. Simple few colours. What was there? The Razzle Dazzle Red, Berry Delicious. And then, well, it was just those two colours, wasn't it? And then the mix of the lilac and white. What did I call the lilac-y one that I mixed? I called it Baby Berry Delicious. There you go, baby berry delicious. Okay, you people, thanks for joining my craziness. Tell me if you like this or not, because I'm just so happy with it. Until tomorrow, look, you take care, and I will be back. Bye for now.